Hello folks, this is Nomad Eddie. I just finished snorkeling here behind me to a ship. I actually saw a turtle and some other beautiful fish and coral reefs. And I want to give you some feedback of what we did yesterday. Yesterday we were welcomed by the Ministry of Economic Development and Innovation. We've been to their headquarters of Curaçao in Willemstad, and we had the opportunity to explain to them our new economic system, SAMSI, with the people of Haponomy. There were a lot of interest, actually that much that they asked us next week to organize a workshop for people from the ministry, maybe also from the university and some other companies or people or organizations that are interested. So actually we were very happy because we were hoping to have also access to the government, and so now we have, and they are really interested in seeing what the opportunities are in order to improve the environmental and social conditions of the country. After it, of course, we celebrated, we went to Willemstad, and there was also a party in the evening, and maybe because you insist, I will show you a little bit of the Dutch songs that were played on the beach, on Mambo beach. And that's my blog for what we did yesterday. And in the meantime, take care.
To den Burster.
Geen 18 plus, gooi je zus, dat is gangbaar. Niet herhaling vatbaar, daarom er is strafbaar. Droomstooms draaien en de club is on fire. Zeker voor het onzeker, kijk je ID-kaart. Ga naar mijn BP bij Fijne Snow Jeffrey. Vertrouw jullie echt niet, de meeste zijn op ijs. Met Dano.